and welcome back to our channel. My name is Karen and I am one of the 2 Orchids. Today's video is going to be what is in my bag. I am going to share with you what I carry inside my, love it, my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM. Love my bag. I got the pink interior and I will show you that I recently got it monogrammed. So I love this bag so very much. It is just perfect for everything, every day, for traveling, just anywhere and anything you need, you can put inside this Louis Vuitton bag, let me tell you. So I just want to make sure that you guys stick around. If you love anything with beauty, lifestyle, cooking, DIYs, and vlogs, we have it all covered here on our channel. So again, please be sure to subscribe, and let me go ahead and get started and share what is in my bag. Okay, as I shared on a recent video trip to Nordstrom, I did get my Neverfull monogrammed right here, and I got it the same color as the interior of my bag, so I love how perfectly that matches. And of course, like I said, I did get the GM, which is the bigger bag. I just figured, why not go big or go home, basically. So again, let me show you what is inside this beautiful bag. I'm going to show you from looking down in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and sit down and pull some of these things out. But I have here a hand sanitizer. I have it hooked onto one of these hooks because, you know, when you're out and about, sometimes it's just good to have something that's accessible to sanitize your hands. I also have the Louis Vuitton. I decided to go with this with a different pattern as far as the keychain holder, just because I thought, why not just change it up a little bit. So I've got that here attached into one of these hooks inside. Also, I do have this velvet, and this is a insert that I ordered actually for my Speedy, but it fits nicely in here. Now you can order a larger size. I happen to like this size just because I still have room to put my camera case. Of course, my camera is not in there because it's in my hand. But you know too that the Neverfulls do come with this little pouch, which I love. And I love it because when we go on trips, I can just grab this to go out for the night, put some of my lipstick in, my phone, and I'm set to go, basically. And I just love it. I love it. I use this a lot when we go out on the weekends. And I love that it has a handle here too. Okay, so there's so much inside of here. So let me just sit down and I can start pulling out. This thing can hold so much, but you know, it's so nice. I could take the insert out and I can just take this when we travel, throw in some things that I want to take on the airplane. I could take it to the pool and just throw in my cover up and sunscreen and stuff like that. I love this bag because it is so multifunctional. All right, next I want to share with you my sunglasses. These are glasses that Lauren and I have talked about recently that we just recently got. We were able to get these at one of our local boutiques, the Gray Boutique. They carry so many styles, and I know that are sold out online. And we do have a coupon code for you guys, and the coupon code is for 15% off, and I will list the code in the description section. But these are my glasses. I love, love, love these sunglasses. They are so cool and so on trend. So in this pocket here, I've got my glasses, and these are my Blue Wings glasses that I wear all the time. And I've not raved about these before, and this is actually not the case, but I just happen to like this case because it's an older case that I have. So these are my Blue Wings glasses. And of course, I've got my rags to keep them nice and clean. So I tuck those in one of the pockets here. And I've got some pens here on the outside pockets. That, of course, I love my colored markers. I got a 2 Orchids pen here. And my phone. That's me there. Hello. And I've got my phone here. I love my screensaver, Mr. Yours. That's so pretty. So my phone just tucks neatly in one of the pockets. Now, in the center pocket here, one of the pockets, I don't know, don't ask me why. I love card holders. So I got this particular card holder in the Box of Style, I think last summer. So I keep a lot of my different credit cards inside of here. I have them pretty much organized according to like what type of card it is. So I keep certain cards in my blue holder. I got this actually, the girls at Sephora gave me this for VIB, and here I keep my VIB card, my Ulta card. These are basically like club cards that I keep in this cute little card holder that they gave me at Sephora. And then in my Kate Spade pink one here is another card holder. It's where I keep the most important cards, like my license and you know, my debit card and insurance cards and stuff like that. Nordstrom, that's a very important card that I put in there. All right, in this next pocket here, I keep, of course, you guys know I love my gum and mints, and Tic Tac does come out. Did you see that they have Tic Tac gum? And I love the watermelon. It's one of my favorites. So I always have a supply of Tic Tac gum and mints, and of course, I'm a huge fan of the Trader Joe's mints. Love these peppermints. So I've got those inside of my bag too. And the Young Living Thieves mints. You just never know, and I love thieves. So I keep all this in this little section right here. All right, the next section over, I do keep a little makeup bag in here. And inside of here, I just keep lip glosses. I honestly don't even know what is in lip glosses. I'm not even sure what is inside this bag. But I got a blush brush, different lip glosses. I love this Karenf. I love this stuff. It just keeps your lips. It's the Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector. I have quite a few of these. I got some Huda lips. Let me see, what else do I have in here? Makeup Forever. I got all kinds of stuff in here. So you just never know when you need a lipstick or a lip gloss. I sort of always keep the same ones in this bag all the time. So that nestles in here. A little nicer than that, but I'm just shoving it in for now to talk to you guys. In one of these pockets, I normally keep like lippies, extra lippies as well. This happens to be the one that I have on today by Estee Lauder, and this is number 250. It's a perfect little coral spring shade. I also have in here one of my Hermes perfumes. I'm not sure which one I have in here. I love Hermes. You guys know we've talked about that before. The Hermes fragrances. And let me see this one. This one happens to be Ombre Negrali. I'm not saying it right, but that is the scent of this Hermes fragrance that I have. I also have a Young Living, and this is a Deep Relief Rollerball. Hey, anytime I get a headache and I don't have any kind of Advil or anything on me, this is the perfect. I just rub this on my temples, on my neck, and I'm telling you, my headache goes away. I love this Deep Relief. Cannot live without it. Okay, hand lotions in here. I have an Aveda hand lotion. I think I also have this is a Bath & Body hand lotion. This one is called Heart of Gold, and you never know when you need a nail file. All right, in this next pocket over, I always keep a Kind bar. When I use a Kind bar, I come home automatically and put another one in my purse. Because when you're out and about, instead of eating junk, I love these. I'm a big fan of the Kind bars. I always look for the ones that are low in sugar. So this one is 5 grams, and I love these Kind bars. And then let me see what I have in here. Oh, my 2 favorite lippies. Stila Stay All Day and my Buxom. These are my favorite ones. This is, I think, this is Bossy, B-A-C-I. I always spell it because I'm not sure if I'm always saying it right. And this is my Buxom lip gloss. And this one is Princess. These are always my 2 go-to lippies, so that's why I've got those in here too. Now, I'm going to move this over. I do have a bigger wallet that I keep in here. Now, when I want to lighten the load a bit, I do take this one out. This is my Michael Kors. You know, I contemplated getting a Louis Vuitton one. I'm like, why would I? That's just crazy. This one matches my bag. It's still in great condition, and I still love Michael Kors, so why not? So, again, I keep this in because there's some extra cards and just different things in this one. But when I want to, when I want to lighten the load, I just pull this one out and I'm good to go. And let me see what else. Like I said before, I showed you my Kate Spade camera case. And that is really it, you guys. That is all I've got going on here in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Well, I hope you enjoyed my what is in my bag, my Louis Vuitton GM Neverfull. You know, I love my Speedy and I love my Neverfull. I'm one of those people that have I say iconic, probably Louis Vuitton bags. These two will, not that any of them ever go out of style, but these two will always be the iconic Louis Vuitton bags that they're known for, the Speedy and the Neverfull. I love them both so much. They just go with my life. They go with my personality. There are so many beautiful Louis Vuitton bags out there and just so many other beautiful designer bags that maybe someday down the road. But for now, honestly, this is just perfect for me. I've got one that's big in size that I can just take with me as a carry-on or just out and about. I've got my Speedy that I can just take anywhere, and of course for date nights I love this little one pouch that comes inside of the GMs or all the Neverfull. So I hope that you enjoyed this what's in my bag. I enjoyed sharing with you. I love watching these type of videos. I got everything that I talked about listed in the description section, so if you wanted to see more or get more information, be sure to check that out. Until next time, I hope that you guys have a great day, and we'll see you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'd love for you to stick around. We do upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so be sure to hit that little bell so that you're notified each time we upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.